chewing.
No chewing.
Yeah, no chewing. No chewing on the window.
Step. Step up. Go, step up. Touch. Ooh. What's this?
These are keys. What's that made of?
Metal.
Can you say it better? What's this made of?
Paper.
What's that made of?
Paper.
No.
Paper.
That's made of metal.
Metal.
Yes, good bird. This is made of metal.
Step up.
You want to step up? Alright, where do you want to go?
Fresh water.
Fresh water. You want some fresh water?
Warm water.
Yeah, pouring water.
What's this?
That's made of, rock. That's made of rock.
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 Fresh water.
You want fresh water?
It's glass.
You think that's glass? It's kind of like glass, especially since we're calling mugs glass. Maybe that is glass.
What's this?
It's part of the wall. It's made of glass. It's made of glass. Do you want to drink water? What's that made of? Come on, you know that.
Glass.
Yes, that's right! What's this called?
Sock.
What's this called?
Ziploc.
What's this made of?
Paper.
What color?
Purple.
No.
Red.
What's this made of?
Rock.
What's this called?
Zippo.
What color?
Red.
What called? Or what's this called?
Ziploc.
What's this made of?
Rock.
What's this called?
Sock.
What's this made of?
Rock.
What's this made of?
Metal.
Right, what color is this?
Purple.
What made of?
Metal.
What color is this?
Purple.
What's this called?
Ziploc.
What color?
Purple.
What's this made of?
Glass.
What color is this?
Purple.
What's this called?
Zippo.
What's this called?
Ziploc.
What's this called?
Ziploc.
Yes, block. Good boy. There's your snack.
This bird was suffering from depression, so his owner decided to dance with him every day to cure it. After 1 month, the bird finally began to move again. After 3 months, the bird had become much more happier and energetic. And after 6 months, the bird actually grew back his feathers and returned to being healthy again.
Melly, Mama needs some tea. Will you open it? Oh, thank you so much. You have a good day. Tell the puppy you love him. I love him. Good.
Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
What's this called?
This is a book.
No.
This is a bowl.
This is a plant.
Plants.
What's this called?
This is a plant.
What's the plant made of?
Paper.
What's this called?
Oreo. This is
What's this called?
Oreo.
No. What's this called?
It's Oreo.
No. This is Wario, silly.
Rock.
War rock. What's the plant made of?
Metal.
No.
Paper. This is a plant.
It's a plant. What's the plant made of?
Paper.
What's this called?
This is a plant.
That's close. Can you say it better? What's this called?
This is a plant.